Welcome to Marchex Call Analytics Conversation Edition, a solution that provides actionable insights for converting more callers into customers. This is the Agent Script Tracking Dashboard. Agent Script Tracking helps businesses understand how well the call sales agents are handling customer calls over the phone. You can think of it like an automated mystery shopping capability, where our artificial intelligence can automatically score how well sales agents are landing customer-facing messages based on a specific script at scale. This helps ensure sales agents are hitting their key talking points properly and aren't going off on tangents that could potentially hurt a sale. Let's start with the dashboard settings. As you can see here, our sample company has a script with multiple script sections, each of which corresponds to a point total. For example, if they want their sales agents to make sure that they greet the customers in a warm fashion, that they get their name, that they ask if the order is for delivery or carryout, and that they quote a price. The rule builder here allows you to pick from a variety of call signals, which are available out of the box, in which a business can then combine with the key phrases representing the scripts that their sales agents want to adhere to. In the script qualification settings box, you can establish a baseline score and focus the logarithms on the type of calls that you want scored as well. Now, we're ready to go through the dashboard and analyze some data and come up with some insights. Let's start with the key KPIs at the top. As you can see here, this business scored a total of 80 calls. This is the average score, which is like a grade on a test of 30%. This number represents the total amount of calls that exceeded the standard threshold of 50%. Below is your visual trend chart, where you can see all your average scores correlated with your lost opportunity and high intent rates. You can also look at your average scores by date as well as by hour, and print one of these visuals or download them as images for further sharing as needed. The rule score by rule type breaks out average performance across each of the script sections that we configured earlier in the dashboard settings. The data table below breaks out your total script scores as well as the average script scores and gives you a view of how they correspond to your high intent and lost opportunity calls and rates, respectively. The primary dimension is location. However, you can change those dimensions to your liking or add a secondary dimension if you wanted to look at the data at another level. Let's look at the rule score by rule type box. I'm noticing some areas of improvement here. If I'm the sales enablement team for this business, I see here that my sales agents are doing a great job with quoting a price. However, they're not asking for delivery or carryout based on the standard threshold level. They aren't getting their caller's name, and they have a dismal average score as far as a warm greeting. This gives the sales enablement team areas to focus in on when training their sales agents up to adhere to the scripts that this business has in play. You can leverage the filter box here to search across any one of your scripts or just the date range to your liking. Automate mystery shopping and train sales agents to properly handle revenue-generating calls at the point of sale with the Agent Script Tracking Dashboard within Marchex Speech Analytics. For more information, visit marchex.com.